Recently, I was reached out to by a company to review the BlackSmith SF203 safe. And if you don't know, BlackSmith makes a lot of different kinds of safes, usually pistol safes, but they also make some larger safes. This is a new offering from them. So this specific safe is meant to be a very concealable and easy to use upright pistol safe. Now, comes with this mounting bracket right here. I don't have it on because I don't have it mounted at the moment, but it sits here on the side of the safe, and you can now mount it underneath a table or cabinet of some sort, or you can mount it here on the side onto a wall of some sort. This mounting system makes it very convenient for hiding it or concealing it in places that maybe bad guys or other people wouldn't normally think of it. And because it opens vertically, you always have a gun ready to go right away. You can just reach down and grab it, pull up, and you're ready to go. Now, in the process of opening it, you may have noticed that there is a light inside, and this is fantastic for if it's nighttime and you need to access that gun. You can actually see what you're grabbing onto. In here currently I have the Smith & Wesson M&P Shield. It's a small compact handgun and it fits nice and snug in here. But one thing I love about this safe is you can fit a full-size handgun like this Canik SFX Rival in here, and it fits just fine as well. All of these features are extremely intuitive and easy to use for the BlackSmith safe, and I like the fact that it doesn't sacrifice quality. Now, obviously, if someone's got tools and know-how, they can get into pretty much any safe. This isn't going to pass lockpicking lawyers' tests, but for the average person, I mean, this steel is going to be fairly thick. You're going to need tools to get through it. You're not going to bash it open. You're not going to get past the code system. If you get the code wrong more than 3 times, it's going to start beeping. It's going to alert you and say, hey, someone's trying to get into your safe, and you can't get into the safe for 1.5 minutes unless you use your key. If for some reason you get the code wrong again after that, it locks you out for 5 minutes and continues to beep. Now, this safe has 4 different ways that you can access it, and I think it's pretty dang cool. First off, you can use the biometric scanner and or your fingerprint. There's multiple fingerprints that you can store in here. I don't know how many, but I know it's a lot. I have my thumb and my middle finger currently saved in here. So you just take your thumb and it just shoots it out like that. So like I said, super easy to just reach in, grab your gun and go to work. The second way that you can get into this is by using a code. Now, each safe comes pre-programmed with a 1, 2, 3, 4 code, but you can change it. Whoop. There we go. Easy way to access it that way. The third way to access it is actually using an app. Now, I think this is a super cool feature. I don't see it on a lot of safes out there, but you can actually use an app to open up the safe. Simply download the app, pair it with your device, and through Bluetooth, you can just hop in the app anytime, swipe, unlock, and it will unlock the safe for you. I'll drop that video right here. Now, some of you might be thinking all of those ways to open your safe require some sort of power, and that's correct. On the back of the safe, it does have a spot for 4 AA batteries. But what happens if you run out of battery power? On the bottom of the safe, there is a spot for a key. Out of the box, it comes with 2 keys that you can use to open up the safe. And because no power is being used, you'll have to make sure that you can get it out just like that. This is a nice fail-safe way to get into it in case you don't have batteries or any other sort of power to get into it.